Today on the Dude's Kitchen, we're making a Popeyes chicken sandwich. And the best part is, you won't get beat up making it. Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen, and today I have a question to ask you. Have you ever gone to Popeyes? Sorry, he's always over there. Have you ever gone to Popeyes and ordered their chicken sandwich? I haven't. But let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to beat somebody up over a sandwich? I know I haven't. I've been hungry before, and I'm a big boy, but I've never wanted to beat somebody up over a stupid sandwich, especially a chicken one. So anyhow, I thought, I've never had a Popeyes chicken sandwich, but I looked it up and I bet I can make one. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna give it just a little bit of a spin. We're gonna give it a dude spin. And I'm gonna use the air fryer this time. We've never done it before on the Dude's Kitchen. We're gonna use the air fryer to make this bad boy. So let's get to cooking, and I can guarantee you're not gonna get beat up making this thing. So you probably noticed, pork skins. We've done these before. Super simple. Love me pork skins. What you asking? Dude, bottle of gin, really? No. We're gonna mash it up. We're gonna use a gin bottle to mash it up. Mash those pork rinds up. The gin's for later. RSVP Skinnies. You saw we did a couple episodes on them. They sent me a whole boatload of gimlets. Make their gimlet drink mix. And I'm not a gin drinker, but man, I love that stuff. So if you get a chance, check them out. They also have a $5 off coupon or code at checkout you can use. I'll put the link below. Use that $5 off thing and it becomes like $14.99. Thank you, Skinnies, for all that, by the way. I should be having a gimlet right now. It tastes good. All right, thank you, gin bottle. Look at that. I think we're set. So, next thing we got, chicken in buttermilk. I put a little bit of hot sauce in there too. It's good. But I have chicken thighs. They're boneless. And they've been sitting in buttermilk now for about 24 hours. You don't even have to do that. I mean, you could do it for an hour and I think you'd be fine. But anyhow, we're gonna put one of these bad boys in here. Get all the juice off of it, as much as I can, at least. Just like shake and bake, man. Just like shake and bake. Got our air fryer here. Not really good at using the air fryer, but I made some pretty killer stuff in it before. I do enjoy it when I use it. Okay, same thing. Last chicken thigh down. We'll do the shake and bake. Not a sponsor. Get that bad boy covered. Dogs are barking. Welcome to my neighborhood. Okay, woo, yeah. All right. So, throw the last little bit down. No big deal. Okay. We're gonna put these in at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. See if I can get this right. Oh, neighbor's dogs again. All the time. Alright, they're going down in the oven or the fryer for 20 minutes. And then in the meantime, we're going to get everything else together and we'll be right back. Well, it's been 20 minutes, so let's check our chicken. So far, so good. Liking what I'm seeing. I'm not sure they're done yet, but look at that. Ooh, baby. Liking what I'm seeing. I'm not quite sure they're done yet. Yeah, not quite. I'm going to put it down for another 5-6 minutes. And then we'll try it again. Okay guys, you heard it. Timer just went off. Air fryer's just finishing up. So let's check this thing out. Yep. Now dang, that is a good looking piece of chicken. Woo. Check that bad boy out. Liking what I'm seeing, guys. Really am. So, I have 2 brioche rolls that we're going to use. And we're just going to lightly cook the inside of these things on the barbecuer. It won't take very long. Meantime, we're going to get all of our stuff together. I'm not really sure what they put on a Popeyes sandwich, but I can guarantee this will be better. I know you're like, dude, 2 plates? One of them's for you. Okay, we're starting to get some sear. Make sure we turn our barbecuer off. I have a tendency to forget to turn it off, and it costs me in propane quite a lot. I'm going to take some mayo, put it on. You know me, sriracha ketchup. Anything with sriracha in it, I'm down. Some lettuce on them. Onions. Beauty part about this, I can put as much on and as little on as I want. Pickles. My grandson and niece love pickles. Alright, here's the best part. A piece of chicken, put it on top like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that, my friends, is a sandwich fit for a king. I'm gonna make yours. There you go, my friends. That's yours. Let's try it out. Mmm. Holy moly. That's good stuff. I might fight for this one. Mmm. You know what I love about these? Lots of flavor. Lots. And you don't have to get beat up to get one. It takes like 30 minutes altogether. Maybe 35. Anyhow, if I were going to do this low carb, the buttermilk has carbs in it. I don't think a whole heck of a lot, especially since you're not using all the buttermilk, you're just using a little bit of it. But I put this in between lettuce. Make it protein style. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna go back to eating this. Mmm. Love this. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Really appreciate it. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, share, comment. Always love your comments. And remember, the dude abides with Dude's version of the Popeye chicken sandwich. Mmm.